What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a very important warning about SPY, Tesla, and the overall market. Let me mention that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link, which is down below in the description. If you sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're guaranteed 7 free stocks, and the offer ends in just 12 days. Anyways, guys, this whole time I've been waiting to see what SPY is doing. I've been very, very patient, and it wasn't until this hour when we got confirmation that SPY is once again potentially rejecting right here at 531.5. We established a lower high relative to 529.5, and I'm starting to see a little decline that's forming right over here. So I do anticipate that we're going to be coming all the way down to 528 very soon. And we'll see if SPY gets a little rebound off that or not, but do expect a little bit more downside that's coming just temporarily. Now, if we do bounce off 528, we could try to push back up into the 530s. It's always a possibility, but for now, that's going to be the key support to be watching for. We also have resistance at our 20 EMA on the hourly time frame at 529.27 and also in the 530 area. But right now, SPY is showing some weakness, and it is looking like it's going to likely dip a bit more. But for confirmation to see if this truly is a rejection, I'll also look at what happens tomorrow because we need to see a follow-through move too. But as of right now, we're getting a lot of signals that show the SPY is going to dip a little bit more towards 528. So keep that in the back of your mind. For Tesla, I just wanted to say that we have a possible head and shoulders like structure as well. We have a left shoulder here, we have a head right here, and a potential right shoulder. And if Tesla gets a rejection and starts sinking back down again, watch 172. If we lose 172, we're going to be dipping even lower. And if we manage to break past 176, we could turn bullish. As of right now, we are looking a little bit more bearish, and this does favor Tesla kind of retracing back down here with the market just a little bit. So I'd be very, very careful. Not going to make any promises. Let's just wait and see if we get a rejection or not. But there is a possible head and shoulders, so just be careful. For Nvidia, we're also turning right here. I did call out 944 as the support to be watching for. That's very close to where Nvidia is right now. We have to hold this support. If we hold this, we could rebound to 950 plus. If we lose 944, we could be dipping all the way down to 935. So just be careful, guys. Nvidia is at critical support right now. And then finally, for the QQQ is also kind of turning right now. We're now below our 20 EMA, and we're just barely holding 452. If we are going to lose that, we're going to be dipping all the way down to 450, in my opinion. So just be careful in the QQQ. There is a risk of it dipping a bit more. For Aapl, we're just trading sideways in this range. We have 189 as support. We have resistance at 190.5. We're also kind of stuck for now, so we'll give this a bit more time. For a few more, let me just make it very clear that we're starting to see some weakness on Amazon stock. I did call this out. I told you we might be losing 185. Watch 182 as our next support zone if we end up continuing to fall. I'm sorry, 183. We have resistance on 185. If we keep falling like this, we're going to continue to sink. And you guys can see this trend is looking a little bit more bearish on Amazon. For Meta, we are coming down to 475. We're actually holding decently around that. If we do lose that, look for 472 or below. The chart is looking a bit more bearish in my opinion. And then from there, we'll see what happens moving forward. The VIX is trying to base at 12.4. This is what happened every single time it hit that area this year. So we will see if the VIX gets a bounce and the market gets a bit of rejection. We'll be very, very patient nonetheless. With that being said, guys, the memes are still dropping. AMC is coming down towards 4.7. Still, it's kind of shuffling there, but our key support's at 4.36. GME is also dipping a bit more at 29. If we do lose that, we're going to be looking for 25. The market is still kind of churning, so just be very, very mindful of that. Anyways, that's it for the video. I just want to note that right now there is more potential downside coming to SPY just temporarily, and we'll see if we get a bounce or not after that. But just be prepared for that and just be open-minded. Let's see if we get a follow-through move tomorrow, and that's it for the video for now. This is going to be a very, very quick update. I just want to say I thank you all so much for listening. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys again in just a couple of hours. Thank you so much, and peace out.